Okay, this is my daughter's, it's a 2018 Mercedes, a C250. As you can see right here, C250. I'm gonna show you where the battery is located. The battery is located under the hood on the left-hand side. As you can see right here, this is the battery. Say for instance, if you want to jump off, you don't have to take this case off. You just pull this back. This is your positive. So you can put your positive lead here and you could ground anywhere on your frame to get a ground. So this is, you could ground right here. That's your negative terminal. And this is your positive right here. So the negative is grounded. But to get the battery off, the only thing you have to do, you see right here, just click this open. And then you got another clip right here. And let me see right here. You can just raise this up. You see how that pops up? And you have another clip right here. And you just slide that to the slide. For some reason, somebody took this off and they broke it. You see that's broke off, so be careful. And then only thing you have to do is raise this up. Just make sure this out the way and raise it up and take the cover off. So there go your battery. So if you want to change the battery, always take your negative off first. And you should have a negative and a positive. And like I said, this, you don't have to take it off if you're doing a jump or anything. But this right here is a vent hose. And it just plugs in there. What happens, fumes and stuff build up to the battery and it just vents it out from under the hood. So that's all that's for, is just a vent. These newer vehicles have these little vent hoses. If you look under my Tundra or one of the older vehicles, they don't have this. So it just vents all the chemicals and gases out of here, vents it out and it flows. If you look under here, it just flows outside. So that's how you locate your battery. In this car right here, they said it may have an auxiliary battery, but I'm not for sure. If you guys know where the auxiliary battery at for this car, let me know. Some people say it could be under here. You just slide under here and you can pull this down. Auxiliary battery is somewhere under there. I'm just showing you these little secret components on here, the Mercedes. Or they say you can come over here on the driver's side, take this little frame off. You just want to get that little plastic. You don't want to use no metal, but you can buy those little plastic removers. You just stick it in here and it'll knock this, bring this off. And it just clips on, it's not bolted on. I don't have one with me right now, but I took it off yesterday and slide off. And then you can look under there, the auxiliary battery might be under there. Like I said, anybody watching this video and know about these particular cars, let me know where the auxiliary battery is. So once you change the battery, you just take this cap and put it back on the way you took it off. And I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video. But like I said, here's your battery. And when you're taking a battery off, take your negative off first because it's grounded to the frame. Because if you don't, and you're trying to take the positive off first and you hit the frame, you're gonna get a spark and you can mess up your computer. So take your negative off first, then take your positive off. And they said when you take the negative off first, and you just grab this, and I think you can just put it in this little holder to get it out the way. And then you take your positive off. And then when you're putting it back on, put your positive on first, and then put your negative on last when you're putting it back on. All right, thanks for watching. And have a great day and subscribe to my channel.